Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making deviled eggs. The ingredients that we're going to need today are mayonnaise, ground mustard, garlic powder, onion powder, ground black pepper, paprika, and eggs. I have all my ingredients measured out. So we're going to need 7 eggs, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 teaspoon of ground mustard, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/8 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and also our paprika. To a pot of boiling water, we're going to add our eggs, and you want to make sure that your eggs are room temperature. You want to let your eggs boil for 12 minutes, and you might want to add an extra egg in just in case one of them crack. After your eggs are done boiling, you want to sit them in a bowl of ice water for 10 minutes. After your eggs have cooled off, we're going to cut them in half, and we're going to remove the yolk and place it into a bowl. Now that we have our yolks in a bowl, all we're going to do is use a fork, and we're just going to mash them into fine pieces. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our mayonnaise, and we're going to mix that until well combined. Okay, next we're going to add in our ground mustard, our ground black pepper, our onion powder, and our garlic powder, and we're going to mix until well combined. Okay guys, you can add salt if you would like. I'm omitting the salt from this recipe. I'm going to be using a piping bag with a tip to fill our eggs. Okay guys, as you can see, I started filling up the eggs. Okay guys, next all you want to do is sprinkle some paprika over top. Okay guys, so here we have it, our deviled eggs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef.